G'day guys, Calvin from the Car Tune Company in New Zealand. I'm going to get straight into this. I've got a Vipec ECU, very similar to a Link. So this applies to Link ECUs and the Vipec ECUs, running a idle speed control unit for a Lexus, a 1UZ or 2JZs as well, the 4-wire sensor. Oh, stepper. It's not a sensor, is it? It's a stepper. Let's get a look in and look at some testing. I got the stepper, got nothing else wired to the ECU, and I have looked at the ECU. It was locked, and I've got it unlocked, thanks to the guys that actually tuned it and gave me the unlock code. I don't like locking ECUs myself, but it's set to reset the stepper on key on. So this is wired to reset on a key off if we want it, with the diode in the power supply. We're just going to pop the power supply in, power up the ECU. We're going to watch that stepper. Okay, so it's done a big reset, and you can see that it's pushed all the way in. So there's no way that that vehicle's got any air for idling. And that may be a problem, maybe. But for this to work properly, for the stepper circuit to work properly, it needs a TPS that's calibrated correctly, set up wired and correctly, and it needs water temp. I don't know what this is defaulting at. It may be defaulting very, very hot. So I'm going to wire these in, and we're going to look in the ECU and watch it and see if it changes that stepper operation. TPS wired. Water temp sensor wired. Power's off. Right, let's watch that again. So it retracts all the way open, comes up, closes, and it retracts, ready to have an idle speed. Those are some pretty big movements it's doing there. I'm just going to jump in the software and see if I can pop some better numbers on it and make it work a bit nicer. We've got the software, bang some new numbers in, and I'm checking that it works the correct way. She's about to overheat. It's 100 degrees. So we're watching there. And I'm just going to go page down, which is going to put smaller numbers, which will open the stepper unit more. So that is all the way open. Can't go open any more than that. Right there, that's the first. Can't go any more than that. Right, let's bring it back up. Oh, going the wrong way. And that's all the way closed. And the numbers were actually set for when it was warm. It's all the way closed. Okay, cool. It shows the stepper is working. Shows this computer is controlling it correctly when it's wired correctly. I'm going to go through the customer's information now and see that it is wired as we intended it to be wired. Now I've got a different video, another video on adjusting the numbers on this, so I'm not going to go repeating that on this particular case. But I've proven that the stepper moves like it should, and this is resetting on key on, not key off. There's a different process for wiring it for key off reset, which is what I prefer. But the idea here was to check that the stepper moved, verify the ECU was controlling it correctly, which it is, and they work really, really well when set up correctly. Right, hope that was helpful. Talk to you soon. Catch you later.